Today in this video we will learn daily English sentences. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. John wakes up and turns off the alarm. John wakes up and turns off the alarm. It's time to get up. It's time to get up. I make the bed in my bedroom every day. I make the bed in my bedroom every day. I wash my face every day. I wash my face every day. Don't forget to brush your teeth. Don't forget to brush your teeth. My hair is messy, I need to brush it. My hair is messy, I need to brush it. I clipped my brother's nails. I clipped my brother's nails. The boys go to school in groups. The boys go to school in groups. He doesn't go to work on Saturday. He doesn't go to work on Saturday. Exercise is equally important. Exercise is equally important. Sometimes I drive to work and sometimes I walk. Sometimes I drive to work and sometimes I walk. I would rather take a taxi than walk. I would rather take a taxi than walk. I am waiting for the bus to go home. I am waiting for the bus to go home. He's been working hard all today. He's been working hard all today. I think this is a good time to take a break. I think this is a good time to take a break. Once I get home, that's for my family. Once I get home, that's for my family. I leave school at 5 p.m. every day. I leave school at 5 p.m. every day. We usually have lunch together. We usually have lunch together.